Hello my dear traders and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to discover what is the nature of Awesome Oscillator indicator, and you will finally understand how you can trade with this indicator and how this indicator can help you to increase profit. Before we start, I want to remind you guys that I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals. These are my trading signals and they are totally for free. If you want to get them super easy, text me a code word signal and I will add you to my closed group. All the links will be down below. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and put a big thumbs up. And let's finally start, and all this information I will tell you right now. So guys, today we are going to trade with you using Awesome Oscillator indicator, and this indicator will tell us which ones prevail in the market to increase or decrease. And of course, this information will help us to choose entry point and analyze the market. So guys, I'll remind you how this works. I already have it connected. All settings are left by default. It consists of a horizontal line with a mark of 0, on different sides of which green and red histograms are formed. And the signal of this indicator is the moment when, for example, a green histogram begins to form. This means that the volumes for the increase are growing, and in the near future the price will move up. Accordingly, in a similar situation, we could open a deal up. Also, when, for example, a red histogram is formed, this means that volumes are growing for a decrease, and in the near future the price will move down. Accordingly, in a similar situation, we could open a deal down. In this case, the indicator may have false signals, for example, when the price moves in the correction zone, and since the price moves in a narrow price range, there is no unidirectional movement as such. At such moments, the indicator can very often form either a green or red histogram. Accordingly, in such situation, the indicator signals are useless. Therefore, I recommend simply skipping such situations. As you can see, from time to time, similar situations occur on the market and they are all different. Therefore, of course, when trading, we pay attention to the support and resistance levels. We also pay attention to the general trading situation, and only a combination of technical analysis and the indicator together, guys, will give us a good result. Be sure to watch this video till the end. Perhaps you will like the way I trade and you will be able to implement it on your own, and today you will understand how you can work with Awesome Oscillator indicator and how you can profit, how you can close deals successfully. So guys, let's get started and find the first entry point. We have a resistance level at the top here. At the same time, we can see that at the moment there is an uptrend and green candles are forming. At the same time, the price is approaching the level and there is still space. We also see that the green histogram is forming, the volumes for the increase are growing. This means that in the near future the price will move up. We will open a deal with you here for 2 minutes up in the uptrend. The price has an excellent potential to increase. It is more like that the price will continue to move towards the level. We will try to make money on this upward movement. At the same time, we took 2 minutes to spare, guys, since the price may also fall into the correction zone or downward pullback may occur. Also, guys, as you understand, even with upward movements, downward pullbacks can occur. That's why we take such time. And in such situations, this time is quite enough. And so, guys, let's wait for the result. Well, my dear traders, it's not bad at all. The price has continued to move up and we are making profit here. I have managed to earn on this upward movement. 2 minutes was just enough for us. The indicator was right again and the volumes for the increase continued to grow. Also, thanks to this indicator signals, we were able to predict the further price movement. So guys, it's good. Let's continue. We have resistance level at the top here. At the same time, I also see that after the pullback, the price turned around and approached our level. At the same time, we also see that the overall price potential is going up. The main price lows are getting higher. At the same time, a green histogram was also formed, and this means that the volumes for the increase are growing. At the same time, we see that the red histogram is currently being formed. The price reacts to this pullback from the level down, but in this situation, I still suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes up, guys. It is is more likely that in the near future, after the pullback, the price will turn around and continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible that the level will be broken. Since we are here, we also pay attention to the trading situation, and the price is moving up significantly. And everything suggests that in the near future it is quite possible that the level will be broken. This means that in such situation we don't pay attention to the formation of a red histogram. This situation can be considered as false signals, as an error, because you might notice, and you should understand, that indicator moves and depends on any movement of the price. That's why, guys, any beginner could open a deal down, but it's not correct. And that's why it's super important to have a knowledge and to be experienced to understand how to act in such situations, and of course to analyze the market first. But guys, of course, in this situation it would be possible to open a deal down, but only this would have to be done immediately at the resistance level, as soon as the first candle began to form from the level. And in a similar situation it would be possible to open a deal down for just 1 minute. That is, as you understand, in such situation there are two options for further development of the transaction, and each of them would be right in their own way. If the trader has enough experience, guys, he can work with any of these options. That is why I always say that you need to trade as much as possible. You have to accumulate your own experience. And so, guys, let's wait for the result. Well, guys, in the meantime, we made a profit. As you can see, our technical analysis turned out to be correct. A general understanding of the market and the indicator tips helped us to earn money. Also, right now on the indicator, we see that after the formation of the red histogram, the histogram continued to form, the green histogram continued to form. That's exactly what I was talking about. And so, guys, let's continue and find another situation in the market. So we have a level of support down here. At the same time, we'll see that at the moment the price is approaching our level. At the same time, there's still space for the support level. We also see that the overall price potential is going down. At the same time, we'll see that a red and green histogram are forming. At the same time, the green histogram is formed during the upward pullback of the price. At the same time, we'll see that the overall price potential is significantly going down. Therefore, I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes down on a downtrend. It is more likely that the price will continue to move directly to the support level on this downward movement, and we will try to earn money, guys. I hope that this time will be enough for us, and so let's wait for the result. Great, my dear traders, the price continued to move down and we made a profit here. 2 minutes was just enough for us. We managed to make money with you on this downward movement, and the indicator helped us in this. Well, so far things is going great. Let's continue, guys. So here we can see the level of support. We all see that after touching the level, there was an upward pullback. And after the rollback, the price turned around and is approaching our level again. At the same time, we will see that the red histogram is forming, volumes are going downward. In this situation, it's just opening a deal for 2 minutes down in downtrend, because the overall price potential is also going down and the main price highs are getting lower. It is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. We will try to make money on this downward movement with you guys, so let's wait for the result. It's not bad, guys. After slight upward pullback, the downward movement continued and we made a profit here. As you can see, I have again correctly managed to predict the further price movement, and the indicator helped me in this. Indeed, the volumes continued to grow downward and the indicator hinted us about it. Guys, let's continue. Here we see the level of support. We all see that after the pullback, the price turned around and is approaching our level again. At the same time, we all see that a red histogram is forming on the indicator. Volumes are growing lower. We will open a deal here for 2 minutes down. For sure, the price will continue to move towards the level, since we also see that the overall price potential is going down. It is on this downward movement that we'll try to earn, guys. I hope that 2 minutes in this situation will also be enough, even taking into account the possible correction. Well, let's watch the price and Perfect, the price continued to move towards the level and we made the profit, guys. I have correctly managed to predict the further price movement and the indicator helped us again. As you can see, the situation really worked great. Well, so far it is going great. Let's continue, guys. Here we see the resistance level. We also see that at the moment there is a good confident upward movement. Green candles are forming. At the same time, there is still space to reach resistance level. At the same time, we also see that the green histogram is being formed. Volumes are increasing. This means that an upward movement is expected in the near future, so I'll open a deal for 2 minutes in an uptrend. For sure, the price will continue to move towards the level because the price is in excellent potential to increase. As you can see, confident green candles are mainly formed. We'll try to make money on this upward movement. I hope that 2 minutes will be enough in this situation. Well, let's watch the price and see how our deal will close. Amazing, the price continued to move up and we made a profit here, guys. 2 minutes was just enough for us. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a good entry point. Meanwhile, I already have almost $4,000 on my deposit and I suggest to open one last deal for today. So guys, give me some time and we will continue. So my dear traders, we are on the same currency pair after a while. We see that after pullback the price turned around and at the moment confident impulsive green candles are being formed. At the same time the price went beyond the level. Here we'll open a deal for 1 minute up because we all see that after red histogram, green histograms begin to form, there is the volume of increases starting to grow. This means that an upward movement is expected in the near future. I think that in this situation this level will be broken. The price will continue to move up on this upward movement and we'll try to make money. As a rule, in such situation 1 minute will be quite enough. It is possible that I will get into an impulsive upward movement of the price itself. As we can see, confident impulsive green candles continue to form on the chart. Also, of course, there are small pullbacks down, but the most important thing here is that the overall price potential is going up. So guys, let's wait for the result. My dear traders, not bad at all. As you can see, the price really continued to move up. We managed to work with you on this upward movement. 1 minute was enough for us. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again, and it gave us a good entry point. Meanwhile, I already have $6,000 on my deposit, and I suggest that we end here because I fulfilled my trading plan for today. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you were able to learn something new. I hope now you feel more confident to try to work with Awesome Oscillator indicator, and you can just turn on this indicator on your own, find similar situations on the market and try to trade. Don't forget, only your experience matters, so you have to try it, you have to train, and with the time you will see that you are getting better and better. Guys, for those who don't feel confident yet, I have a closed group. I'm sharing trading signals for free. Guys, these are my trading signals and you can try them on your own. Just text me code word signal and I will add you to my closed group. Also guys, don't forget to support this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel, write a comment down below. Guys, I will see you very soon. I wish you to have profitable trading sessions and bye bye.